Peace, Sana. My name is Genevieve Jen. This is a yoga technique to help you find emotional balance. We're going to start by drinking a glass of water. So, you don't need a fancy bottle. You can literally just get a cup and fill it up. Once you have your glass of water consumed, you can be literally anywhere. Sitting in a chair, sitting on the floor, sitting on your couch, sitting in your bed. Where are you? Sit down. And then you're going to take your hands and you're going to bring them underneath your armpits. As if you were Mary Catherine Gallagher from Superstar. But this is a yoga technique for emotional balance. So you're just going to begin by noticing how you feel. Start to bring your shoulders up tight towards your ear, but bring your neck back so that you can find a slight neck lock. Good, you're going to keep the shoulders by your ears, and from here you're just going to begin to breathe. Neck is long, shoulders are towards your ears, but the crown of the head is still tall. I'm going to set the timer for 3 minutes. Here we go. Continue to slide your ears back over your shoulders. Your breath will automatically become slow. Deep breath in through your nose. And long breaths out through your nose. Really squeeze shoulders towards ears, creating your own tension so you can create your own ease through your breath. Slide the ears back over your shoulders. Just notice what you notice. And if you want to take it a little deeper, maybe you begin to connect your breath to mantra. In Kundalini Yoga, we like to use this mantra Sat Nam, inhaling mentally, vibrating the sound Sat. And exhaling mentally, vibrating the sound Nam. Sat Nam, truth meaning name. Sat meaning truth, Nam meaning name. Truth is my existence, my presence, my essence, my being, all of me. I am truth. You're breathing and being and meditating and squeezing and lengthening through the spine for emotional balance. Less than a minute. You're almost there. Good. As ears squeeze high, continue to lengthen the back of your neck towards the sky, really reaching from the crown to the ethers. Less than 10. Deep breath in. Hold your precious breath inside. Apply root lock, pulling in and up on perineum, sex organs, navel point. Breath is held in, spine is straight. Meditate on what brought you to this emotional balance video today. Exhale, release. Roll the shoulders out. Shake it out. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're looking for more yoga techniques on how to be happy, healthy, and at peace, leave a comment below, like, subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified on more classes that help you go within with me, Genevieve Jen.